Alright y'all, the time is here. The CA reveal is here. You guys are not ready. It's been 5 long months of waiting from Chevy screwing us on parts. You guys have been watching. It's been non-stop, endless issues, but the time is here. She's finished. And also the merch is live. Remember, you know, you can win a PS5, you win an Xbox, you win Yeezys. Go get entered. And yeah, let's cut to the reveal. And here she is.
Just 1 week ago, we, you, the city, and all the communities around it were taken by a truly powerful force. We hope for good news.
We're still not entirely sure of the extent of this.
But the news only got worse.
It was the most terrifying moment any of us have ever spent in our lives.
Smoking up a J, ooh, ooh, ooh. Think I done fell into a maze, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, but shawty, I'm okay, ooh, ooh, ooh. Probably cause no one in my face, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling just the way I should, yeah, yeah. I know I'm misunderstood, yeah, I don't know, but I really wish you would. I really wish you would, wish you would. Hey, okay, yes, I wish you would, but I ain't gon' stress about it, cause I know you never could. I be making so much money, they be cutting down the wood. I just looked out over.
So I'm going to my buddy's house right now in the C8 since I just finished it. He saw it right when I got it in my garage, and I'm about to pull up to his house and show him how she looks because she's all done now. So I don't know. I don't even think he knows it's all done. I'm not sure. But we're about to get his reaction, give him a ride, and then see what he thinks. I think he'll give us a good reaction, if I'm being honest. Yo, come out front.
I'm coming out, peace.
All right.
Damn, boy. Yo, it looks crazy. That's nice to see, yeah. That's nice to see. A lot of work.
Yeah, it's nice to finally
send a picture to
see the final product. Yeah, this bitch looks so nice inside, bro.
In the spaceship.
It looks crazy, bro. This is crazy, bro.
The time's here. It's like a roller coaster.
Skirts up in that.
It was an eco boat too.
That's eco?
That was in like
I even know.
Wait till you feel launch control.
What is that?
You're about to find out what launch control is.
What's launch control?
Oh
shit!
That's launch control.
Give it one more, give it one more. Oh shit, I don't even know how to open this, bro.
Look right here.
Oh, that's bro. Damn, oh, that's right. Push the button.
In the coupe, bro. It ain't got a handle, it's got a button.
Get it.
You up, Franco?
Bro, hop in this. Sure.
Holy shit. But it's like a cockpit. It's like you're in a jet.
Feels like I'm at SeaWorld. Riding the MANTA.
On MANTA.
Yeah, on MANTA.
Alright, bro. You're up next. Please buckle up and keep all arms and feet inside the vehicle.
It's like Batman's whip.
I know, but white.
I felt my stomach hit my ass. Yo, I need a diaper. I can like watch a movie right here.
Tell your mom, let's give her a ride, bro. Ready?
That's enough of things.
That's good?
Oh my god. Are you crazy? Why did the cop stop you?
That was only, we didn't even pass the speed limit. We're not doing nothing illegal.
I don't know.
You don't think so? We might have passed the speed limit a little bit.
This is crazy. How many horsepower is this car?
It makes like 500, I think. It's actually not that much, but since the engine's in the rear, it's like a lot, you know what I mean? What do you think? What do you rate it? 1 out of 10.
10.
A 10?
We rebuilt it.
What do you think, bro? We got my friend's brother now, my friend, his mom, all the reactions. Yeah, it's all done except for the hood. Look, I got a little temporary stitch job right now, but for now it looks.
Damn. You did good.
Are you ready?
0 to 60. Oh shit. You missed the C6 at all?
No, not at all.
No.
I like this way more.
Yeah, it's faster.
So I'm pulling up to the next friend's house. I'm just driving all over the place showing everyone the car. So, you know, we're gonna get some more reactions. See what these kids have to say. What do you think, bro?
Dude, it looks getting sick.
Yeah, you like it? What do you think about my stitch job?
Looks like baseball stitches.
Damn, bro. You like my drift stitch? Come on, bro. You look at the whole car, not the one thing wrong with it. Drift stitch, bro. Actually, it's kind of raw. Dude, honestly, bro, it's gonna have to do till now, till the new hood comes in.
All right, let's go.
You ready? Oh, you're taking me for a ride?
Yeah, let's go.
All right. You feel like a new man in that thing, bro?
Yeah, I definitely feel like I can get some, you know, friends.
Alright, you gotta hold this like this.
All right.
Right at your face.
All right.
Oh,
You hear how sticky your tires just got?
God damn. All aboard? You ready, bro?
Yeah, like Chevy ain't playing.
Chevy, you wanna go too, bro?
Yeah, I'm down.
So is that solid or what?
Yeah, I mean, it'll do for now. Definitely need a Lambo or something now.
You're not impressed?
Oh shit. I'm impressed.
That it pulls,
Yeah,
bro.
it pulls.
First gear.
I just waxed my head, dude.
You hit the. Yo, we thought this thing was a 2-seater. It's really
I was trying to shut it.
Where are we going?
Yo, my boy wants a ride. He said he don't care.
Alright guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, enjoyed the reveal. I'm sure you guys are wondering what's next. Well, I got some plans. Obviously, I'm doing something about the hood. I'm sure you guys are wondering what's going on with my my hood here. Obviously, you know, this is a temporary fix, but I thought it looked pretty good for temporary. I've got a new hood coming in, so you guys can stay tuned for that. But the main thing I'm after right now is the Street Hunter wide body kit. So I got a plan to get it because it's gonna be expensive, and you know, a small creator like me is, you know, struggling out here to get a $15,000 body kit. So check this out. Right now, the merch just went live. If you guys have been following me, you guys know about it. I'm actually wearing it right now. It says Judah's Garage, and it says this right here. I'm sure you guys are wondering what this says, but this means chase your dreams, because you know I'm all about that in Chinese. But check this out. I'm selling these boxes for 69 bucks. It comes with a hoodie, a t-shirt, and shorts. So all the proceeds of this are going towards the wide body kit. So the merch is live right now, and every person that enters and buys something gets entered to win an Xbox Series S, a PlayStation 5 that's been sitting on a C8 engine, and a pair of Yeezy boosts. So all this is just kind of to give back to you guys for buying my merch. And yeah, I mean, a lot of YouTubers sell merch without giving away anything. So I'm just trying to, you know, give back to you guys, and also, you know, of course, help promote the merch, because I really want this wide body kit and I cannot do it without you guys. So like I said, the merch is live and the car's done. So, I mean, there's still little things I got to do, like the hood and stuff, but you know, we're on to the next chapter. I don't know what the future holds, but I know what I'm working towards, and that's this wide body kit. With your guys' help, we can do it. So I'll catch you guys next time, and you know, chase your dreams, baby. Yo, Judah, I'm gonna get the PS5 for the pictures. I feel like that looked probably kind of clean.
I don't know if that looked good. I try to not kick it.
No, honestly.
We have to redo it if it doesn't look perfect, bro.
I don't know what I just.
Yo, where'd you go?
Yo, Judah, I'm gonna grab the PS5. Maybe it'll look kind of clean in these pictures.
Okay.
That was so fake.